Okay, this is the penultimate question of the paper, and you are definitely getting to level 8, level 9 type stuff. Okay. The first, so you're looking for anything that you can simplify, and so here I've got n squared in there, but I can see that when I multiply, I add the powers. So this should give me 2, and then n plus 6. And that could be written as 2 n squared, okay, divided by 2n plus 6. Again, so if we remember our rule is that, we do exactly the same with the algebra that we do with the regular numbers. If you had 2 to the power 7 here divided by 2 to the power 5, you'd subtract. I'm going to do the same. So 2 to the n squared minus n plus 6, okay? And now I'm going to remember that this is all equal to 1. And what would be convenient is if I could change 1 into a power of 2. And I can think of actually something to the power, 2 to the power something is equal to 1, and that's 0. So I've now got a situation where I've got 2 is n squared minus n plus 6. So it's obvious that this bit here must be equal to this bit. So now I'm writing n squared minus n plus 6 is equal to 0, which if I then use the minus on the n and the 6, I get n squared minus n minus 6 equals 0, which factorizes into n minus 3n plus 2 equals 0, and so n is equal to 3 or minus 2. Now when you do these vector questions, you need to really carefully look at the info they give you here. And here they're telling you, sometimes they give us a ratio, and more easily it's when they give it as a fraction. It's quite nice. So here we've got to work out in terms of A and C. So moving from O to C, they haven't drawn it in, but doing O to C, okay, is vector C, which means that this vector O to Q, okay, due to the information they give us here, okay, going from O to Q is just 2/3 of C. And here we can see that A to B is the same as O to C, it's the same movement, so it's the same vector. So A to B is equal to a C move, and AP must equal to a quarter. So AP is equal to a quarter of C. And they want the move from P to Q. So I need to do the reverse of AP, okay? Well, the reverse of AP is minus a quarter C. I need to do a reverse A, okay? So that's reverse A, so minus A. And then I need to do a regular O to Q, and which will just be plus 2/3 C. And that becomes 5/12 C minus